how to sign up for Uber Eats. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can sign up for Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to basically sign up for Uber Eats, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Uber Eats application. And once you launch the Uber Eats app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Now you might actually want to log in with the existing account, or I'll just tap on use another account button here, and then it will ask me to enter my mobile number, right? So all I have to do is just go ahead and make sure to select my country depending upon where I am from. Then I can simply enter my mobile number to basically start using Uber Eats. Now another way I can do it is, instead of this, I can simply continue with email, Facebook, Apple, or Google. So if you want to directly link your Uber Eats account with your Google or Facebook account for quick login, you can simply select that, select the Google account that you want, tap on continue, and then you'll be able to sign up on Uber Eats. This way you'll be able to sign up on Uber Eats. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.